Right, hello, good morning. So, we got through that refactor. We're gonna try now to actually revert from the backup branch. And to do that, we're first gonna show an actual button that there is a backup branch available. I also talked to a previous colleague of mine. We're having, hopefully, I asked him if we could do it as a stream. We have a session on Thursday. I'm kind of gonna demo the extension frame. We're gonna talk about the actual user experience and how we can make it look a little bit nicer. And then I think it would be nice going into the weekend with an actual alpha. There was one more thing I wanted to do. It was a backup branch thing. And then, well, we do... I think it was something else as well. I don't think we're gonna do the crash report yet. We're gonna just do the alpha, and then I'm sure people are gonna find problems, and then I'm gonna try to like reason about how to fix those issues and reproduce them. And then based on that, we're gonna create like a crash report feature so that we know firsthand what's actually needs to be done. What the hell is this? Is it the test or? Well, what is this thing doing? Watch T. That's weird. Oh, was that the actual? Wait a minute. Run extension. What the hell are these errors? Oh, I know what it is. It's conflicts between Mocha and we need to remove them. So vtest has types in it. Let's see. And those types are global. Like, you don't have to necessarily import. Like, you can globally use like the functions for testing, and then they conflict with Mocha, which also has those types. Let's try again. Let's just stop it. Weird, I didn't notice that before. Oh, for fuck's sake. Wait, oh, do I actually have to delete it? Delete. Yarn install. Yeah, we can add a button in the meantime. Oh, that was fast. Okay, let's try again. Oh, for fuck's sake, I can't believe we're starting our day with this shit. Why does it have Mocha in there? I removed that. Where the hell is that coming from? Oh, what is it? At Mocha? Mocha? Types Mocha. But I've removed them. Why does the yarn look... is there like a yarn clean or something? Non-modules. Types. Why does it insert Mocha there? I removed it from my dev dependencies. They shouldn't be there. Ah, for fuck's sake. Why is it doing that? You know what? I'm gonna delete the fucking log file. And I'm gonna do it again. Anyways, we need a way to recover from... Where's my browser? Where's Safari? Safari. VS Code extension icons. Do we have like Revert or something? Oh, there we go. Yeah, let's use Notebook Revert. Is it called that? Notebook Revert. Or can I use discard? Oh, what are these things? Do they have two names? Oh, okay. Revert branch. Revert branch. And it's going to be a discard. And that's only going to be there. Yeah, so that needs to be... Let's see. Let's do it up here. So this is start rebase. And we're gonna revert branch, and that's only gonna be there if we're in idle and nice PR. Has backup branch. I'm not sure. Yeah, what does this mode refer to? Yeah, whatever. Okay, let's see what happens now when I run the process. Probably still getting an error. Yeah. This is so fucked up. Isn't there like a yarn y type smoker? Oh, test CLI. Yeah. Now it doesn't find a match. Okay. Oops. It still has errors. I can't believe this. Wheat, no, cannot find name. But we have... Explain. Why am I getting this type? Oh, you know what? I think I know what it is. Skip. We need a skip lib check. Skip default lib check. I wonder why that is false by default. Like, why do you want to check the types inside npm packages? No, that didn't help. Library. Okay. Down. Okay. Is that it? Module interrupt. Module resolution. Module. This is probably gonna break. This is probably gonna break. I'm not sure if it's actually. Did it actually restart or? I can't believe we're using the stream for this shit. But again, this is what it's like being a developer. It's having these kinds of fucking useless errors. Yeah, let's do that. Oh. What the hell? We're gonna spend the whole fucking stream on this. Okay, we're gonna ask ChatGPT here. I am building a VS Code extension and want to use VTest for testing. Why am I getting this error? I'm so like pointing to my rant the other day. It's like this type error here doesn't help anyone. Like it just sucks time and energy out of actually producing value. I'm not saying like it's VTest or TypeScript or anyone's fault. It's just the state of things that we're spending so much time on this. Do not in your extension code instead. Oh, create a separate tsconfig. Okay. Okay, it makes sense. Let's just remove all this stuff. But why is it saying I'm importing? Oh, I think I know what we want to do. Yeah. So we want to exclude the test files. Include tests. And then I guess it wants to exclude. But I don't have a vtest config. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna do new folder tests. We're gonna put the fixtures there, we're gonna put the snapshot there, we're gonna put the actual test there. And then we're gonna say include tests, and then we're gonna say exclude tests. Does that help? Why is this complaining? Oh. But then, like, this needs the lib of, we need DOM there. I'm not quite understanding this. So the test is running. I don't think I even need a test file. I just need to exclude the test from the normal build. But I guess like I can't deal with this. I can't deal with this. For fuck's sake. The problem isn't vtest. Vtest works just fine. The problem is VS Code and recent version of it allow extensions in ESM which can simplify your build. Okay, we're gonna try that because that definitely, like, CommonJS is like, it's amazing that we don't have. Oh, sorry, that's. I don't think this is the right solution. I think. And then type module. Let's see what happens. Oh. Oh, for fuck's sake. Now everything fails, of course. Oh. ES build? Oh. For fuck's sake. Okay, let's see if I can do import ES build from ES build. If that's the only thing I need to change, then it's fine. But if it isn't, it's gonna be. Okay, it ran again. Yeah, look at this. Now I only have. Okay, let's try that. God damn it. And then. Oh. Node 16. Maybe that was the problem. Okay, let's try once more. Relative needs explicit index machine imports. Must be set to node 16 or left hand. When option was I set to? I can't believe this. Okay, and then we have these things that can be handled by. No. Why do I need? And then you have relative import. Like it's just fucking never fucking ending. I'm so sick and tired of this fucking JavaScript ecosystem. Ah. Why? Why are you having all these fucking errors? Why does relative import paths need a file extension? Okay, let's just add .js to everything. Extension .js. This is just such a fucking hassle. I guess this is also a problem. No, that's from VS Code. Rebaser, Git. Utils, do you have? Sorry, Rebaser. Yeah. I am so fucking sick and tired of this. Okay, and if we now put DOM in here. Oh, thank God. Oh, I can't believe this. Okay, no. This pisses me off. This fucking pisses me off. I can't fucking believe this. I'm so fucking tired of this. Can you not remove these? I guess we should remove this instead. And then I guess we'll have another problem. Are we even able to test now? How do I just want to test this fucking file. How can I do that? With Vite. Or something. Just let me test the fucking file. Without firing up all kinds of stuff. Can I run unit tests with VS Code test? Like, do I have Mocha here? Like, can I... How do I run unit tests in using the VS Code I shouldn't be using 01 on this. Yeah. Writing. Small. And it fucking suggests. Oh, it's probably because it's the same context. How do I run unit tests in my VS Code extension? Create a test run. Like, why do I have to create a test runner? I don't know what to do. I'm exhausted. Fuck this. Fuck this. I have to create a separate package for the tests. But this is just silly. Like, this is so... can't believe this. But this is sweet. Out? Okay, whatever. Let's just try this. I'm sick and tired of this. Configure your test file. Why don't I have to import? And this should be in, where should I put this? Out? Why does it say I need an out folder? I don't think this is... I can't handle this. I just can't handle this. I don't know what to do. I just don't know what to do. Package JSON. What the fuck? Where's package JSON? Why isn't... Ooh, I'm about to throw something. Why doesn't package JSON come up here? What the fuck? I want to add rebaser test. Let's add tsconfig as well. Can you please help me run the unit tests? Currently, the test is running integration tests, but I just want to run the simple unit tests in the test file. Let's use it vtest. For fuck's sake. Is it because I have vtest there? Okay, discard it. Let's remove. I'm gonna remove vtest. And then we're gonna try again. It's still using vtest. It might already have had that in its context. Discard. Yes, discard. Remove vtest. Let's create add files. tsconfig. For fuck's sake. What if I just do jest? Jest is like horrible compared to vtest, but at least it has the same shitty. Let's see what it does if I do this instead. Why does it use vtest? Stop, discard. Is it because it still, where does it? It seems to still have some context on this. Run unit test using jest. Rebaser. tsconfig. Oh. Oh, no, there wasn't any. Oh, because I'm importing vtest, of course, in the test file. That's why I thought it needed to use it. Oh. Oh, but I can't, now I can't import the fixtures. Well, I should be able to use require, right? Maybe we can fix that later. Command not found? I'm just what the fuck are we gonna do about this? Oh, this should be here. This is just insane. Is it like types vtest? No. Doesn't vtest have... Didn't I add vtest? Oh. Like, it just works. Like, this is what I love about the work Evan Yu is doing beyond Vue. It's just fixing the fucking ecosystem. Like, it's just insane. Like, why can't we just write code and create value? Like, yeah, why can't we just create value? Coding isn't about coding or environments or anything. It's about actually generating some value for other people. And we're like working at like a small percentage of our actual efficiency because of all this fucking stuff. But of course now, when I run the extension, it fails. Because now it can't handle this thing. But why can't I ignore it? Like, I don't understand. Why can't I ignore it? Node modules, vtest. Why can't I ignore it? How do I ignore? But skip libcheck should be doing this. That's what I don't understand. Oh, skip the for fuck's sake. Ah, for fuck's sake. It's called skip libcheck, and then I thought it was a new name with default. God damn it. Ah, we went through all of that just because of... I can't believe it. That was rough. That was truly rough. But that's like, if you're a junior developer, this is what development is about. It's sitting and cursing at your screen because of the fucking ecosystem, and you're being blocked from actually doing potentially valuable things. Okay. By the way, I want to change this icon. Start rebase. It's an ugly icon. Start rebase. Debug start. I don't want it to be... is there like a... Yeah, I think this one's kind of nice. I like that we, after a refactor, it's much nicer to fire up the extension. You understand the state much better. Okay, so what should we do? We should actually perform like a rebase here. So let's kind of move this into... Oh, sorry. This one in here. Let's remove this one. I'm curious if this is actually gonna work. Cool. I'm happy about this. Let's just run it, see what happens. This one's a little bit tricky to actually verify. Oh, look at this. Entry. Oh, interesting. I think we have a different error. By the way, we need to really log out running the actual rebase. I guess that's here. So where did it stop? Entry not found. So it was looking for the license, but we deleted the license. Okay, let's look at the commit operations. I think it was running this thing. Oh wait, rename, because target already exists. Oh, it was a rename that failed. Oh, it was multiple errors. Oh shit. Oh, this messed up a lot of stuff. Ugh. Okay, but at least we have something. I'm just gonna check my... I wonder what happened there. $762. So I was trying to rename and that failed. And I guess we don't have any... Why? It's almost like the... Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, it's almost like it didn't actually put the repo in its original state. Okay, let's just see if the commit operations are correct, so that we have some confidence in that. And do we have an actual nice PR backups? Reset hard. Yeah. Check out backups. Let's see now if I can actually bring back git reset hard origin nice PR backups. How do I reset hard? How do I reset a branch to a different? How do I hard reset a branch to a different branch? Yeah. Wait. Wait, what the hell? Should I do both? What is this saying git reset? Oh. Interesting that this doesn't update. Look at that. We have it back. Okay, but that's good. I wonder why it didn't update the commits though. Because there should have been a state change on... We need to check that. I'm going to check that quickly. So, so this would be a repo state. This initializer on the open repository. Initialize repo. Nice PR. Oh, state change disposer. Oh, Fuck. Of course. I forgot about that. Now we're only doing the onDid change for initializing another repo if the branch changes, but also inside. So we're passing the repo inside here. So what I think we should do is, now this needs a disposer as well. Okay. So what we want to do is we want to update the commits. That's the point. Yeah, and this needs to be set to. Oh yeah, now I remember. Do we have like a set and get mode? There we go. As backup branch. Cool. Sorry. So what we want to do, we're going to say this.repo state on did change. What we want to do is update the actual update the commits. Oh no. Now we have another problem of separation, because now we are creating the commits here with get branch commits. Well, I guess we can. Okay, let's just do that. So we allow it internally to update this repo, this.commits equals this.repo, this.branch. And this is fine, async, and then this.onDid. Then we'll fire a change. That's fine. The problem is that we should really like private disposer equals new disposable. I thought this could be. Huh. I thought this could be like I thought there was an API here where you can like create a disposable where you just register disposers. Like you add this. Huh. Well, I guess we could. Well, I like to have it in the initializer. I thought I could. Okay, whatever. Dispose state change listener. Oops. And then State change listener disposer. And then we have to make sure whenever we put a nice PR there and we dispose of it, we also need to dispose of the nice PR. Cool. Yeah, so this should actually update the commits list, I believe. Okay, so let's just do the exact same thing and see what it actually... Oh, look at that. It shows the thing now. Start rebase. Let's move that in here. Let's be fine by this. And let's see what it does. So what it wants to do here in terms of file operations is first to change the license file. That's fine. Then it wants to delete the license file. Why does it have a hard time doing that? Where's license? Yeah, why does it have a hard time deleting the license? It must be something I'm doing wrong here. What did it say? Oh, wait a minute. I'm doing this all wrong. Oh, why am I doing this? Like, we have to do this for each. Oh, this is weird. For commit operation. Like, yeah, wait. No, wait a minute. What happened there? Oh, sorry, this is for the commit operation. This is for the actual file operations. Yeah. So you should have added and then committed. Okay, let's rather do this. Commit operation. Running commit operation or adding operation. I wonder what actually happened there. Oh yeah, and oh, maybe we could actually do the revert thing now. So we should do the thing. Yeah, let's add that button now. So where's the extension? Whatever, let's put it here somewhere. Start rebase. Yeah, I guess we can do that. Revert branch. And then I think we can just say revert to backup branch. So revert to backup branch is a nice PR. Revert to backup branch if this dot mode and if this dot mode and if that's not the case, we're gonna execute git command. Look at this. That's exactly what you should do. Okay, this is interesting. Let's try this now. So what should happen? I click this and I should see the commits come back, but I didn't. Did it even run it? Interesting. Huh. At least the commits came back, but why didn't it revert? It's called revert branch, right? Start rebase. Where did I put it? Yeah. Revert branch. Extension. Revert branch. Revert to backup branch. And if the mode is not idle, we can't do it. But it didn't give an error. Why didn't this work? Reverting. Whatever. Let's just do the rebase again. Let's move that down here. Let's remove this one. Okay, I'm happy about this. So change license and then delete license. Is it rename? Oh. Oh, I guess it should be like this. Rename that old file name to the new file name. Maybe that was it. Okay, let's see again. Does it? There it worked. Interesting. Cool, let's try again. Move it down here. Remove this one. Okay, fine. Go and do your thing. There we go. Oh. Oh. Cool, it worked. Yeah, and this is the cool thing, right? Because after when we moved it and we showed the diff, it would show it as like changing the README, then renaming to README 2. But now as we actually rebased, it shows that as like a rename. And what was the... Did we remove the beta? Yeah, oh, interesting. It didn't actually remove the... Oh, yeah, we have another... Oh, I love that we... This is awesome. I forgot something. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it actually... File operation content. This should have... It didn't write the deletion of the thingy. Rebaser, apply changes. Okay. That's interesting. By the way, let's remove this one. Okay, we're just gonna check that, see... console.log running file operation. Oh, I guess we can do file. Okay, let's have another look. And let's do the... Also, these are like kind of... Yeah, whatever. And I'm happy about that. Let's do this. Let's do the rebase. And what did it do? Running file operation. Right, this is the license. Removing the license. Then it's writing to readme. Align center. Oh, I know what it is. It's because so when we have a file here, no, doesn't get initial file contents handle. Okay, I think we should just look at it. Because we write to the README, and this should be without the beta information. Ah, can't I scroll? Image align, I can just reset this. Yeah, I think we need something to... So this should be after the BR. Align center. Oh yeah, and wait. Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah, so here it is removed in the when we write to the file. And then we move the file. But here the content... What's the content here? Here it's back. So that means that it's using... think. So when we go through here, I think something bad happens here. Oh, wait a minute. Are we actually updating the content? We're not updating the content. Like, this shouldn't be content. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. So we need to do this. Yeah. We're updating the actual content of the file. It's a little bit, the thing that's very hidden now is how it handles renames in the get initial content, which I don't quite like. But yeah, we can't, I don't want to change that now. So let's rebase, let's move that down here. Remove that commit, we're happy. Let's rebase. And then remove beta. No, it still doesn't work. Why doesn't it update the file contents? Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, wait a minute. This is getting... Oh, wait. Oh, I know what's happening here. Yeah, okay, so this is fine. Like the old... Yeah, this is a... Oh, for fuck's sake. So what's happening is that I changed the hash to the previous one. So now I'm going in and I'm looking at the file contents at the point where... Okay, this is hard to grasp, but when I go in here and... Where are you? And I do this, because we don't have the file name yet. That's readme2, right? So it goes in there, get the initial file contents for file. But since it's based on the hash, and we change the hash, right? To the point of the commit where we made the original change to readme. It actually gets before the beta was removed here. And that's not what we want. So here we actually need to handle... So I think we have to do file dot... How do we know what file operation it is? Okay, we need to... Oh. Yeah, okay. So get file operation type equals file operation. So if it's a rename, okay, let's see. We're gonna return this, and then we're gonna cache contents. So if file operation type equal file change type rename, we're gonna see oh, we're gonna use the old file name to find the initial contents or file out file name. Okay, so what happens now is that we need to know if we already have, no, it's not cached contents, but updated contents. Because what happens is that whenever we want to make a change to a file, we need its current contents. And we do that by looking at the hash. And then we apply those changes, but that's only for the first change. As we make additional changes, we now change history, right? But it's in memory, so we have to keep things in memory. So whenever we go and try to like, okay, what's the starting point of the file? We have like the latest version of the file in memory. But if it's a rename, the latest version of the file is the old file name, right? So that's what we're doing here. We're looking up the contents of the file from the old file name. And then we see if we have updated contents, or we go and get initial file contents. But one thing that's a little bit scary here, I think, is that we're passing in this hash. Oh yeah. No, I think this is fine. I think this is fine. Okay, let's try again. We'll move that down here. We don't want this thing, that thing. Let's change it. Oh. Could not apply changes. Interesting. Did I actually change something? Rename readme. No, that was a strict readme. But didn't it have... running file operation. So now it's doing the move. Oh, wait a minute. Now I got no such file or directory. This is weird. Like, why does it say that? Entry not found. Is this like a... because of I'm using this file system? Workspace FS. Does it have like latency? Because I'm moving through the file system quite fast. And I'm just wondering if it's like... yeah, I find this weird. And this error is not from... that's also weird. So this is coming from here. Which is also weird to me. Because this is like, we haven't even... what I don't understand is that when this throws... why doesn't it throw the whole thing? Because we're mapping over all these file operations. Oh, but I'm awaiting them. So this throws, and that creates a rejected promise here. Why doesn't this throw? It just keeps running. It shouldn't do that. Because this creates an array of promises of these promises. But there's a rejected promise in there, and then this await should throw. why is it going down and making... Oh, it isn't going down and making changes. But why is it then making this error? Where's this coming from? Is that something else? Oh, but I am running the file operation. But it's the same here. Why doesn't it throw and stop? Not handled within 1 second. Entry not found. And this is on the remove. Like, shouldn't... When I'm iterating through this, it should wait, right? Or is my understanding completely broken here? And why is this coming after? Apply rebase. This is from a line before this line. Rejected promise not handled. That's fine. Maybe it's just how it logs it. It's very, very weird. I'm confused. I'm very confused. Ooh. What happened? Why didn't it build? Or, oh yeah, sorry, could not apply changes. No, it's not giving me... What's happening? What the fuck? Okay, there we go. Could not apply changes. But and there's no log, right? Because it should throw out of the... Yeah, it's... I'm not sure what's happening here. So this happens at modify. Oh, sorry. This was the error. My bad. There we go. Okay, let's try again. Boop, boop, boop. But why doesn't it find the license? What? It still doesn't remove the fucking data. So there's two things I definitely don't understand here. First of all, it throws an error on deleting the license. I don't understand why, but it does delete it, so that's weird. But the weirdest thing is why has it the wrong contents? Why does it say beta here? That's not the contents. It should have used old file name. Updated contents. Okay, let's change it so that we log out handling rename file states content. Yeah, I think we're just gonna look at that one. I want to fix this before. I think we need a progress bar in there. Start rebase. We're fine with that. Run the thing. Handling rename. Oh, here it has the beta. Why does it have the beta there? Because we modified it here. Okay, are we actually getting file changes? I'm very confused. Or is it handling the rename? Handling file operation type file states. Well, file operation change, and then file states. Because it should run this modify first, which removes the beta. And it did do that on, well, I guess you can't see it. By the way, I'm gonna move the other console log here. It's not a file operation, that's for sure. It's the other thingy. Yeah, it's interesting. Like sometimes it just doesn't update. But if I refresh now, oh, interesting. Well, yeah, sometimes these buttons actually doesn't do anything. I'm not sure why. Like also if I click like rebase, it doesn't work. That's also weird. Okay, let's run through it. Handling modify. Wait, we're not updating file states. You see this? It's always empty. What? Oh, wait a minute. Are we handling them at the same time? Oh, I see what's wrong. Oh, I see what's wrong. We actually have to make this async, and we have to await it. Oh, that's interesting. But are these actual? Well, these aren't. Oh yeah, of course. We have to await this one. Okay, let's just await it. We have to await it to ensure order. So what happens is that it just spins through them. Or operations and updates to file states. It just spins through them. So the file states is always empty because we're not awaiting, like getting the initial contents, updating the file states and all that stuff. That should be the reason. Async. OMG. Fuck! It still doesn't work. Fuck. Oh, of course. Ah! Wait. No, that's not enough, of course. Ah, for fuck's sake. Let's keep the log there. So handling it's still empty. What am I doing wrong in this code? Maybe we should just do a for loop, because this just makes it very implicit how it actually works. So let's do commit operations. Like it's fancy, but it becomes very implicit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through commit to handle from commits to handle. Oh, of commits to handle. I'm gonna drop this. I'm gonna do this, and then we're gonna go through commits to handle. Oh, sorry. There should be commit, and then we should remove that thing. And then we're gonna push, well, we're gonna const file operations equals operation. So now we're gonna go through for const file of commit.files, and then we're gonna do this stuff. And then we're gonna do file operations. And then we're not gonna await anything here. Well, have the content. So we can do this, this. Oh, nice. And then we don't have to do this twice. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna say file operations, push. Break. Push. Break. Push. Just for fun. Let's break. And then we have commit operations, push. Cool. So now we have more of a blocking, explicitly blocking handling of this. So we're going through every commit to handle, we're going through every file, we're handling that file. So now I think it might be different. Yeah, now we have the file there. Yeah, now it's removed. Great. I've always been a little bit confused on how async maps, like it's much harder to reason about. Yeah, I don't like iterators that aren't like expressed as for loops. I think it's so much more intuitive and explicit to, like, imagine how we use, one thing is map, right? But then you have reduce. Reduce is like fucking awful. Very hard to reason about how it works. The thing is, if you have a plain old for loop, the code runs exactly as you read it. And blocking behavior, asynchronous behavior, everything is very, very explicit. And then you can just create an array that you populate to do mapping. You can create a value that you change over time and you do reducing. Like I hate having like these abstractions. That doesn't really make the code any more readable. It's just less code, right? This quest for less code, I don't like that at all. Anyways, we're in a really good position here now, I think. We've gotten very far, and tomorrow I might not be streaming. But I'll definitely be streaming on right, jest config. We don't need that one. Revert branch. But yeah, we're getting very, very close. So we're gonna do the session with Danilo, my previous colleague, on Thursday. Identify where we need to fix like UX. And then we're gonna fix that UX, and then we're gonna create an alpha. Awesome. Thanks for now. Bye-bye.